Hey there, welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew. I'm here to help you build your brand, grow your audience, market your content, and make money. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you can stay updated on the latest videos, live streams, and more. If you're a member of the consulting crew, welcome back. Today, I'm going to give you a few tips on how you can increase your searchability for your website or for your niche in general. As I said, welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew, and today I'm going to discuss a few different ways that you can increase your searchability on your website or for your niche or niche, however you prefer to call it, because there's nothing better than being top of the list on a Google search. I went from page 15 to page 1, and I rank number 1 through 10 on the homepage for my website and all my social media just by doing a few simple things. And that is what I'm going to show you today. First step is if you are on social media like Facebook, Twitter, Twitch, Instagram, Pinterest, any of them, they all have a section for you to be able to put your website address. This is called backlinking. And if you go into Facebook and you scroll down to your edit page info and you scroll down to underneath the contact section, you will see a spot to be able to enter your website address, like right here. You enter your address in there, and that is a backlink. That way, anybody who visits your Facebook page will now be able to click on that link to go directly to your website. And I recommend listing your website on all social media platforms that you are currently using. Another option is on your YouTube channel itself. Now, if you go into your YouTube channel and you go over to the About section, you have this nice big area here where you can give a description of your channel. Mention all your nice information about what it is that you do on your channel. Please be aware that the first 50 characters on your YouTube description, whether it is for your channel itself or for the description of your videos, is the most important section. Those 50 first characters are going to be what is most likely going to help you in searchability. So you should mention in the first 50 words on your video description and your channel description what exactly people are going to find on your platform. Whether it is marketing help, whether you're teaching a specific how to, whatever it is, make it very short and clear at the very beginning of your description so it is more search friendly. Within your channel description, also include your website address. You can also add your website as a link on the bottom of this description area. And you do this by clicking on the Customize channel. When you get to your YouTube Studio section, click on Basic Info, and you have your channel description area here. Remember, the first 50 characters is what's going to be the most looked at for your channel description. Make sure to add your website address within that description somewhere as well, and then utilize the links below it. You can have a lot of them there, but you can only display the first 5 maximum on your YouTube banner. So, whatever you want to get more traffic to, make sure that those are the first five links. This is a benefit if you have your website within the first five as well as listed in your description, because now essentially you have your website address in two spots on the same page. The number one thing you want to do is your keyword research. I highly recommend using keywords everywhere. It is a paid service, but it's fairly priced. It's $10 for 100,000 credits. Go through, do your keyword research, find out the click per cost and which ones have high rates of interest for Google search and other platforms. This way, you know which ones are getting searched more often. This is what I did to be able to figure out which keywords were more likely to be able to bring me traffic from Google search. As you can see here, I mentioned in my description about being on disability, making content, things about the blind, and other valuable information. These are all various keywords within my subset of long tail keywords. I have a list of over 100 different keywords, all of them ranging in searchability. Some of them are very short amounts per month, some of them are very high per month. It's important to do your keyword research to be able to get this information to know which words you want to use and where you want to use them. And the more that you can use your keywords in multiple places, whether it's just on YouTube descriptions, in your videos, or in your channel description on your social media, whatever it is that you are utilizing for your platforms to reach your audience, try and use a good few search terms in everything you do. For instance, if you're going to do, we'll say, a video on passive income, make sure to add passive income within the first 50 words of your video description. Make sure you have passive income within your channel description. If you're going to talk on passive income, try to use it in a way that you can have it within your video title or within the video thumbnail. This will help with your search engine optimization. The more that you can use these keywords and have your link for your channel in multiple places, the more it's going to make it relevant for the search engine to be able to know that you are legit and you're not just somebody starting from scratch and making you work an extra ton to try and get that increase on your levels. The more that you can have these out there, the more you're going to increase your searchability. The more you increase your searchability, the quicker it's going to be for you to be found. And to show you why I know this, I'm going to share my screen one more time here. If you currently go to Google and type in consult the blind guy, which you can see I've done this a couple times now, and the first thing you get on consult the blind guy is all my links. Originally, when you would search for Consult the Blind Guy, it would literally go to all kinds of different people who are selling shades and blinds and curtains and things to that effect, because there is a lot of companies out there that have the word blind within their search engine optimization. But now, because I have gone through and taken the time to put my website address on every platform I use and have it within all of my video descriptions and things like that, I am now literally the top of the list when it comes to Consult the Blind Guy. As you can see, it's not until the very end of page one that we get to somebody other than me for the blind guy. And the blind guy is on Yelp for shades and blinds. Now, to me, that's pretty good because it took me under a month of having my website up and having it ranked number one. Another thing you can do is to use your keywords in your website itself. This is another way that you will be able to increase your searchability. Put your keywords in as many places as you possibly can. However, do not go overboard. You want to have these spread out throughout your website. If you have too many of them too close, Google will trigger this and other search engines will trigger this as having too many keywords in one specific area, and they will actually cut you down on your searchability and viewability. So use your keywords in different sentences throughout your website. Don't just have them all in the very first post or paragraph or within the first couple of paragraphs. Spread them out. The more you can spread them out, the more it's going to be able to ping back to your website in multiple different areas and increase your searchability. So I hope that this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below or hit me up on any one of the social media pages or email me. I'm the only one that answers all of my messages and emails. Be more than happy to help you. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon, hit the like button if you would as well. It would be greatly appreciated. Until the next time, have a great day, and we'll see you then.